However, they may play in mixed teams in some sports like tennis and badminton. Many Indian women in recent years have excelled in different sports in international competitions. Mithali Raj, cricket. PV Sindhu, badminton. Manu Bhakar, shooting. Traditional games. Traditional games are the games that are played in certain areas only since ancient times. In India, many different types of games are played. Kho-Kho. The word Kho is derived from Sanskrit, which means get up and go. Kho-Kho is one of the most popular traditional games of India. It is played between two teams of 9 players each. Kho-Kho traces its origin from Maharashtra, where in the ancient times, it was played on raths or chariots. Hence, it was known as Rathera. Kho-Kho. Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a team game played between two teams. Each team has 7 players. It is played on a smoothen and soft ground. Both men and women play this game, which requires skill and stamina. It is called by different names at various places, that is Hu-Tu-Tu in Maharashtra, Ha-Du-Du in Bangladesh and Dodo in Nepal. Kabaddi. Wrestling. Wrestling is practiced in an area called akhara, which has a pit of mud. It is done under wrestler's guru's supervision. Boat race. The world-famous boat race of Kerala is locally called Vallam Kali. It is conducted in the month of August-September on the occasion of Onam. It is the world's largest team sport with 100 to 130 oarsmen and 25 singers in each boat. Vanchipattu is the song sung by the boatmen. Mallakhambh. Mallakhambh is a kind of Indian gymnastics usually performed on a wooden pole. The players perform various complex exercises which require them to turn, twist, stretch and balance their body on the pole. The grace, agility, dexterity and suppleness of body, combined with quick reflexes, muscle coordination and sense of timing of the performer, make this game challenging and worth watching. Wrestling. Boat race, Vallam Kali. Mallakhambh. Kite flying, patangbaji, archery, tirandaji, camel races, gilli danda, etc. are some of the other popular traditional games of our country. Martial arts. Martial arts include games such as judo, karate and taekwondo. These games not only increase the physical fitness but also prepare the person to defend himself or herself. The term martial arts means arts concerned with war. The practice of martial arts helps in improving one's physical and mental strength and focus. Martial arts. Some of the popular martial art forms of India are as follows. Gatka. Gatka originated in the Punjab region and is practiced mostly by the Sikhs. It is a style of fighting and demonstrating acrobatic moves. A practitioner of Gatka is called a Gatkabaj. It is often performed during special occasions, fairs and Sikh festivals. Gatka. Chebi Gad Ga. Chebi Gad Ga is one of the most ancient martial arts of Manipur. The contestants fight a duel within a circle, each carrying a sword made up of a stick encased in soft leather and a shield made of leather. Chebi Gad Ga. Kalripayattu. Kalripayattu is the traditional martial art form of Kerala. It is practiced by both men and women. It includes demonstration of physical exercises and mock duels, both with and without harmless weapons. Today, Kalripayattu is practiced as a means of physical fitness, an entertainment sport and an empty-handed means of self-defense. Kalripayattu